Much better. You didn't tell me my hair looked a mess.
I didn't see it.
It was just kind of cute for her. Anyways.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
So, we are going to Atlantic City today to go walk the boardwalk and get on the beach. Everybody's ready.
Hurry up and go sit at the train station for 30 minutes.
Athena's ready. This is going to be Athena's first beach trip.
You're taking a camera?
Take some pictures, video.
Did you get the medicine from Gloria?
Yeah. Excited?
Ryleigh's going to score like this.
Really? Hi, Athena.
Larry, can I put my bag up there?
Sure.
I'm not doing none of that.
Here, zipper it.
You want to put that bag up there? You got a whole seat.
Yeah. Zipper it.
Yo, I got a camera recording in my hand. You want me to zipper it? Yo, we got that double shoulder. We got the car seat. We got a book bag, and we got that bag. Plus this bag.
Thanks.
Shut up.
Do you have a mosquito bite on your forehead? It looks like it. Either that, you got hit in the head.
Your face has a face on its face. Look at this mosquito bite. I just videotaped your butt. So we are just enjoying our time at the beach. Ew. Eating a diaper for whatever reason. Ryleigh. Hi.
There she got Santa.
Are you okay? I got her towel in the backpack. She has a towel in the backpack. Are you okay? She face planted right into the sand. Poor baby.
Go get a bucket of water. Go fill up a bucket of water.
So now we're on our way home. This stinky feet's over here playing with their feet while we wait for the train. Yeah. Athena, say dada. Say dada. Are you gonna say dada? Ooh, somebody's tired. Ryleigh, sit down with your no shoe. She has one shoe on right now, guys, because something happened to her other shoe. Lord knows where it is. Athena. Athena. Athena.
Mama?
Tell her, say dada. Say dada.
Dada.
Yeah, tell her, say dada.
Dada. Dada.
Say dada.
Dada.
Da 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 da. Athena.